Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If your payment method has been declined on Uber Eats, it can be frustrating, especially when you're hungry and ready to order. In today's video, I will walk you through a few simple steps to fix this issue and get your order placed successfully. The first thing you want to do is double check your payment details. Go to the payment section in the Uber Eats app and make sure your card information is correct, including the expiration date and CVV code. Now, if everything looks good, but the payment is still being declined, try using a different payment method. You can add another credit or debit card, or even link your PayPal account to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes your bank might block the transaction as a precaution. Contact your bank to ensure they're not flagging the payment as suspicious. If they are, ask them to authorize the transaction. Now, if the problem still persists, try clearing the cache of the Uber Eats app. Go to your phone settings, find the Uber Eats app, and clear the cache. This can resolve any temporary glitches causing the payment issue. Now, following these steps should help you fix any payment method issues on Uber Eats, allowing you to place your order without any problems. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.